What's up guys, Adam at Time Warp Custom Paint here. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how I lay out flames using Limeline precision tape. And then I'm going to let you in on a little trick that I have learned where you can mix virtually any custom color you want just by mixing white and candy toner. And then I'm going to use that paint in an airbrush to create this ghosted flame effect. Let's get right to it. Alright, now that we have our flames taped out, we're going to mix up a custom color for our airbrush. When mixing these colors, I use three things: white base coat, House of Color candy concentrate, and urethane reducer to thin it out to make it sprayable through the airbrush. To do this, simply combine the candy color with the white base coat. I guess a good way to say it is it's a lot like adding food coloring to white frosting to get the color that you want. For this demo, I'm going to use purple candy. it, guys. That's all it takes. All of the paint and the equipment that I use is conveniently available on my Amazon affiliate page. By clicking on my Amazon link down in the description, not only will you be directly supporting this channel, you can browse through all of the paint and the equipment that I use and recommend. Not to mention how much money you can save. It's really unbelievable. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. Thanks for watching.